Stories that make people feel life. People who seek life with understanding.
The Parrot's Cough. Simon was a retired soldier, always seen with a pipe in his mouth. His closest companion was his pet parrot. One day, Simon decided to quit smoking. His parrot had developed a persistent cough. Convinced that the constant pipe smoke filling the room was harming his feathery friend, he gave up smoking for good. However, the cough didn't go away. Worried, Simon took the parrot to a vet. After a thorough examination, the vet smiled and said, "Your parrot isn't sick at all. There's no pneumonia, no damage from smoke. The only thing he's been doing is copying you."